Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome as well. Today I'm just going to make my cozy mac and cheese. So let's get started. So I just set the stovetop to a low to medium heat and I put 4 cups of water into this pot and just sprinkled a little bit of salt, and we're just going to replace the lid and wait till it boils. They had this elbow macaroni at the 99-cent store for 99 cents, and this is made in Italy. And I thought, oh my goodness, this would be perfect for this video. And this entire bag equals about 4 cups. So I just poured it all into the pot, stirred it up, put the lid on, and let it cook for about 7 minutes. And then I took a cup of Mexican style cheese, poured it in, and then took 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese, poured that in, and stirred it up, baby. Let's just take a moment to look at this cheesy goodness. And then I just took a handful of each and just poured it right back in, mixed it all up because I don't skimp on the cheese. Nope, nope, nope. So this is looking absolutely wonderful. So I'm just going to set that off to the side. And now I'm just going to whisk together 3 eggs because this is going to be mixed in with the mac and cheese when we bake it later. And I will have the recipe down below in the description box so you guys can check that out. So I just added some sour cream, some butter, and now I'm just going to add in a little pinch of salt. And last, I'm going to put in some milk, and then I'm going to just mix this all together. And I did not record this part, so I'm just going to tell you guys about it. I poured it first into the baking dish, and then I put the macaroni in it, and then I just mixed it all together. And this just looks absolutely beautiful. And now it is time for, you guessed it, more cheese. So I'm just going to top this with some sharp cheddar cheese, and don't forget the sides. And now we're just going to pop it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, even though ovens and temperatures may vary. So just be aware of that. And here it is. It was so delicious and creamy and cheesy. So I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of it. Hopefully you guys will give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments below if you guys love mac and cheese. And thank you so much for your support on my channel. If you guys enjoyed, just hit that like button down below and subscribe so you'll never miss when I upload. See you guys next time. Bye!